Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. And today in the session we will understand what is the bulk cargo and what is the out of gauge cargo. Okay. So in previous session we have understood the difference between bulk cargo and breakable cargo. Okay, and also we discussed type of breakable cargo. Okay. So in this session we will understand break bulk and out of gauge cargo. Okay, so you can see there is a picture on the screen in which you can say that there is a container which is the open top container. Okay, so there is a forklift lifted packed on that, not packed but that we can load it on that. Okay, so this can be the out of gauge. Out of gauge means that the size beyond the container. Okay, for that type of cargo needs the container which is flat rack or open top container. Okay, so if we talk about the definition, the out of gauge cargo is any shipments that exceed the standard dimensions or weight limit for the transportation. Okay, typically by rail, by road, by sea. So what's the difference between out of gauge and breakable cargo? We'll try to understand. Okay, so containerized cargo. Out of gauge cargo is often containerized, but in the non-standard dry container like a open top or a flat rack. Even the breakable cargo is that other hand, it is typically shipped in a break bulk, meaning it is not contained within the standard shipping container. Okay. So out of gauge is that mean that this is the something oversized than the container, standard container. But in break bulk there is a different shape and size that cannot be fit inside of the container. Okay, so this is the difference. Okay, so we can say out of gauge cargo is also the containerized cargo, but breakable cargo is not containerized because that the extremely oversized, irregular shape and size and weight. Due to this is the difference. But in out of gauge, this can be loaded on the open top container and flat rack container. Okay, just like this. Okay. Now size and weight. Out of gauge cargo is specially defined by its dimensions and weight and exceeding standard container limits. Okay. So this is also the container size cargo, but especially this is the oversized than container. Okay, so out of cargo is especially defined as it's by dimension and weight, which is exceeding standard cargo. But breakable cargo is often oversized, heavy, and doesn't necessarily heavy to exceed standard container. Okay, so the difference is that like this cannot be loaded on the container, which is breakable. But out of gauge, this only the some part can be the outside then container. Okay, now specialized handling. In both cases, out of gauge and breakable cargo require specialized handling methods. Okay, but out of gauge often involve the more complex procedure due to the irregular shape and size. Okay, so we can understand this type of oversize. This can be first it can be kept on that open top container, then it's bind with that lacing. Okay, then it can be fixed on that open top or flat rack. But in case breakable cargo, these are the oversized, so the base need to be fixed in wooden or anything else these can be placed properly on the dock of the ship. Okay, if you cannot fix their bases, then it can be rolled down, and we can say that it can be fell down. Okay, as per shape. So guys, we have tried to understand what is the OOG, out of gauge cargo, and what is the breakable cargo. So we are just going to end the session here. Thanks for watching this session. Have a nice day.